Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review, we will be taking a look at this wig that I currently have on. And the name of the wig is Bobbi Boss Harmony. Without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig. Lay, slay, and get it paid, honey. Yes. Let's go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then we'll talk about my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
It's our set.
now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about the specs about this bad boy Harmony. First of all, let me thank Bobbi Boss for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous, oh so lovely wig. Thank you, Bobbi Boss. You're the MVP of this video. Okay, so specs about the wig: 3 combs, 1 in the middle, 2 in the middle, 1 right here, 1 right here, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and a wide elastic band for extra secure. Bobbi Boss Harmony is a synthetic glueless lace front wig. I have Bobbi Boss Harmony in the color Tropicana. It is a 13x7 hand-tie lace frontal. It's pre-plucked natural hairline. Comes with a free part and styling front, so you can part it any way you want it, baby. It has custom-plucked hairline with baby ears. It's 100% premium fiber. As I already said, 3 combs, adjustable straps, a wide elastic band for extra security. And at the time of filming, the starting price of this wig, under $50. Disclaimer, this is not a new wig. It's not a new release, but I liked it and they wanted me to review it. So I said, why not send it over? Yeah, so now that we've got all of this out the way, let's go ahead and talk about the pros. Bigot friendly, beginner friendly, HD lace. Well, let's go back. Bigot friendly, very bigot friendly. Like, yeah, they got a lot of room under there. Beginner friendly. The HD lace blends beautifully on my scalp, honey. When I tell you melt, melt, melt. Okay. Next thing I don't like is this length. You know I don't like long hair. You know I don't. You know that's my happy sweet spot. You know that's my sweet spot right here. Yep. So that length is just right for Auntie Titi. Yes, honey, it is. Okay. What I don't like, this doggone flyaways. Doggone flyaways. But someone told me that, or someone said to me, it's because they're synthetic. So if I were to purchase a human hair wig, I may not have that issue. So I will test that theory out. I don't know when, but I am. Because if that's the case, I might as well just leave it out as a con. Or do I? I don't know. So that being said, I would rate this gorgeous honey right here, da da da, a 8.5. Only because the flyaways are so bad. It's on my lip gloss, it's in my eyes, it's on my hair, they're everywhere. Besides that, it's a beautiful wig. So look at this. Look at this. Woo! Bobbi Boss, what are you trying to do to Auntie Titi? Look at this. Look at this. Woo! Look at this. Woo! Baby, this wig is... I think I'm gonna call this wig Bubblicious. This is what it looks like. Like, I don't know. I just love it. Like, I love it. Like, a lot. What's going on with this baby here right here? What's really going on? Cue the elevator music while I fix this. Da 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 da. Okay, now that's better. If you got to the end of the video, I'd like to first thank Bobbi Boss for sending me this unit to review, and thank you for trusting me and giving you my honest opinion on doing this review for you guys. Also, if you're a subscriber, not a subscriber, and you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Now, on your way out, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and I'd like to say welcome to Beauty for Your Eye. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Do you think I'm crazy for trying this wig, or do you love it on me? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching my video again. Bye guys, see you in the next week.